Howdy, y'all. Merry coronavirus. Have an announcement. I'm done flipping cars because, well, that. Real quick, let's appreciate my outfit of the day. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm going to work. Let's go for a little ride, shall we? Hot. Well, guys, you heard right. I'm done flipping. Even though that was probably like the most short-lived shit that I've probably done. I've only done like maybe like 4 flips, 5 flips, somewhere around there. I haven't posted anything up because I've been really busy lately with studying some new stuff that I'm gonna try to get involved in, and also I've just been kind of lazy. So main reasons why I'm gonna stop flipping cars. Don't get me wrong, I do like cars, but not as much as the next guy probably. Not so much where I get like hornified when I see that there's a problem and I need to fix it, you know, like, no, I'm not like that. Back when I used to have my first car, like, I would love to add new things to it, like, you know, blinker fluid or a headlight, or, you know, a new stereo deck, new rims, things like that, small minor shit, you know, fixing up the appearance of it, like, yeah, little certain performance things. That's the main kick I got out of it. You know, it's something that I get to create, something that I get to have. But with flipping cars, like, I don't really get that. It makes it a pain in the ass to go through all that labor, and then just for at the end of the day, like, to give it away. I'm getting it ready for someone else, you know, and like, you know, it's not all for nothing, because, you know, I still get something at the end of the day, like some money in return, obviously, for the fruits of my labor. But, you know, like, is it really worth it? You know, that's the thing. I think probably the nail on the coffin for me was recently I made a purchase. I got a Chevy Tahoe 2014. It was a old police a police pursuit vehicle. Okay. It used to be that, and yeah, I got it at a good deal. I got it for well, I thought I did. I got it for $9,000, and you know, like, it's going for like around 14 for a good, nice one, like that's all, you know, decent. The one that I got has like a few problems here and there. It's not perfect, but it's enough where I can work with it and do my little magic. And so, boom, bought it cash, $9,000. Car was mechanically sound, no problems there. Probably the biggest thing about the car is the horn don't work. Probably one of the window regulators don't work, and also there's a 3rd row seat missing. But, you know, it's no biggie. That's besides the point. Fixed majority of those problems, and with the intent to flip. And then 2 weeks ago, happened, and yep, a problem arose. I don't think the previous owner that knew about this, because it didn't show any problems about it. But yeah, pretty much the pinion bearings for the rear differential gave out, and yeah, that basically it costed me $1,000 to fix. And well, I'm left with a fucking bill. I'm like, fuck it, all right, I just want to get rid of this truck. And I put it on Facebook Marketplace, Let Go, OfferUp, and Craigslist. And so far, all I've just been getting is low ball ass offers. Like, and I'm not really too surprised, because everyone's holding on to their money right now, as far as like the whole coronavirus, because, you know, a lot of people are not working, you know. Yeah, but still, I just don't want to do it anymore. It's just like, I'm doing all this work for someone else, and it's not really worth it to me. Like, For granted, if I was doing this the legit way and I actually got my dealership's license and I were to go to actual auctions instead of going to, you know, doing little minor flips with Craigslist buys off of a different owner, like, yes, it would be a lot more profitable, but it will still be very like, it would still have its own problems there and then, because, you know, there's a lot of other problems you got to fix, you know, as far as getting it up and ready to get sold. It's a little bit embarrassing that I'm in the Marine Corps, like, and I'm a diesel mechanic. Even that, I don't even enjoy that shit. Like, yeah, it's just not for me. That's where I came in and bought this Mustang. This is gonna be my beater keeper car for a good while. It gets the job done as far as like it's not the most reliable, because I know it's a US car, but at the same time, it just gets the bitches, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, how the fuck am I gonna just roll up on like some chicks and be like, yo, what's up? Wanna hop in the hybrid? You know, give me some dome. No, that's not gonna work. Anywho, that's a little update right now with me. Sorry, I've been kind of, not really sorry, because no one ever really watches this shit, so gives a fuck. But it's mainly for me. But yeah, I'm actually on some new shit that is very exciting. And I'm gonna probably let you guys on it soon, probably in a week or sooner, who knows. All right, well, arigato gozaima. Have a good one. Like, share, subscribe to see what's the update with trying to take over the world and try to compete against the Illuminati, or maybe defeat them, who knows. Get poon, get money. Merry Christmas, coronavirus, bye. I feel like little baby Yoda with this mug.